It's Dave from TheWildWaynes. We have a pot roast in the Instant Pot today. We made with some potatoes, carrots, celery, garlic, onions. Turned out fantastic. We have the recipe. There's a link in this video's description. Just click on it. Takes you right to the recipe. You can find us Instant Pot Dave or TheWildWaynes on YouTube. We have a bunch of good stuff out there for you. We're going to saute up chuck roast. Couldn't find a rump roast with salt and pepper and some garlic on both sides. I use garlic lovers from Flavor God. We're going to get a pot hot and throw some oil in there. Throw our chuck roast in there. Salt and pepper, garlic the other side. Get it ready to flip it. There you go. Cook it all into the chuck roast. Get it hot for about 4 minutes on each side. Add a quarter cup of beef broth. Help you take that seasoning right off the pot. Chop up 3 golden potatoes. Head into our pot. Season them up real good with some salt, pepper, some thyme, garlic. Need garlic lovers. A couple bay leaves. Chop up some carrots and celery. Dice up about 8 cloves of garlic. I'm going to mix up 2 cups of beef broth with 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. That's the secret right there. And dump that into our vegetables. Add our sauteed chuck roast on top of that. Slice up an onion. We'll throw those onions on top of the chuck roast. Let them soak their flavor into the meat. We'll lid, seal, and pressure cook for 40 minutes. Natural pressure release for 15 minutes. Let's mix a half a cup of cream, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix it up real good. And then an extra tablespoon of cornstarch if you want some thick gravy. After 15 minutes, release the pressure. Take the lid off. Oh, it smells so good. Let's take that roast out. Take all the vegetables out of there. Out of the cooking juice. I'm gonna make some gravy. We'll mix up that cornstarch, the cream, dump it in, mix it up real good. Turn off your pressure cooker and hit saute. Let's get it boiling. Season it up with some salt and pepper, about a quarter teaspoon of each. Put your finger in there and make sure you season it just right. Turn off your saute and push a spatula through that meat. It's so tender. Lit up your vegetables. You worked hard on that gravy. Make sure you put plenty of it on your food. Oh, it's so tender it just falls apart. Oh, it's time to eat. Alright, you guys. We have this recipe in this video's description. Click on the link, it takes you right to our website. You can print it off or copy it or study it. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. We'll let you know when we give you a new video. Thanks a lot, everybody. You guys take care.